Here's my completed pop-up card. I'm going to show you how I got there. So this is my piece I'm going to cut the pop-up from. I want a shape of a square that I'm going to use as kind of just something as a guideline. And I'm going to need some score lines. So there's some of my score lines. Where's my shape go? There we go. Alright, so let's make this 3 inches exactly, so I have a nice number to work with. Actually, I'm going to delete a couple of these because first I want to make this 3 inches also. Okay, so now I am going to duplicate those, and then I'm going to duplicate those, bring these over here, and rotate them 90 degrees. Okay, I'm going to take this first one and click on it and the square, and I'm going to align this so the tops of those two align, and then align it so that it aligns to the left side. And then I'm going to attach it. So now that score line is attached to the top of the square. Okay, so now I'm going to do the same with this. I'm going to align to the left and to the bottom and attach. Now if I click on just the square and turn it off, you see there's the score lines. Okay, so now I need to duplicate these two again because I'm going to need a couple more. Bring them over here and rotate them 90 degrees. Okay, I'll get to those next. Now these two score lines are going to be the lines here, but these are cut lines. So if I grab both of these and go up here, I can change it from score to cut. So now they're cut lines, and they can come over here. And let's attach them to the square. So we're going to align to the left and align to the top and attach. And this one is going to align to the right and align to the top and attach. So now if I just turn off the square, it won't cut that square because I turned it off now, but you can see there's 2 cut lines and 2 score lines. Okay, so because I wanted this whole thing to, oh, it's a little bit different size. Okay, get there. Okay, so now if I take this one over here and align it centered vertically, no, it's right in the center. Oh wait, let's, even better yet, let's make this 2.5 because now that should fit. Oops, not 5.5, how about 2.5? That should fit measurements of my card, right? No, I want 1.5. Math works. I know why, because I need this 2 in the original. But so if I just scale that and go 2, now that comes down to 2. Okay, so now we can go like this and arrange this to center vertically and attach and bring this guy over here and center vertically and attach. Okay, so now this whole thing would fit on there. And actually, I want the whole thing to be a little longer because I need to be 5 1/4. So I can just click on this now that it's attached. 5 1/4. Great. Now, if I wanted to adjust that all, I could have detached these side score lines, adjusted my square, and inserted it. Okay, now I can take this whole guy and also click on this and arrange that to the center of the card and attach it. And yes, it's a little bit different shape than I did over here, but you can adjust that however you want. So now it's going to do a score line and a score line here, so I can fold this in half. A score line here, so I can fold it there and there, but cut lines here so that it will bend out